I'm Matt and I'm playing Tall Ships.
Hi, I'm Rick and I'm playing Tall Ships. These are characters I made up when I was a kid. This is Gek, and he was a gecko that fell into some radioactive waste and then he acquired a gun. I only did one comic strip. It was how he became Gek. And it's now on my mum's wall in the kitchen. It's framed. So. And this is my man, Mr. Red. I used to draw that as a kid.
This is a self-portrait of me, pretty much from the last 10 years, give or take some facial hair. That's me right now, that's how I represent myself.
The title Everything Touching comes from, it's quite a literal reference to the Big Bang, and that's kind of when literally everything that exists was contained in that sort of infinitely small little point. So yeah, this is that, and then from that explosion outwards, everything that, I don't know, you've got love, you've got the sun, you've got a fish, you've got a person, you've got a beach, just life.
I've gone for pretty much the same thing. This is I'll be our biggest headline show with support from Craig David, under the sea, in a cage, and the crowd would be sharks and fish. That's Craig David with his headphones on.
Mine would be NASA presents the moon sessions. Everyone would go up on a big spaceship to the moon, and we'd be first on. And we've got Wham, Fleetwood Mac, Craig David, Barry White, and us.
It's really cute.
Yeah, I think there'd have to be a little disclaimer. You have to pay for transport to get there, so they can be quite expensive. But maybe we could get Virgin Atlantic involved, and they could do their spaceship shuttle up there. But that'd be great.
Zero gravity show. Zero oxygen show. Who'd you go for?
George Michael. I was brought up on Wham, so I love him a lot.
Who'd you go for? I went for Simon Neil. He's more current.
He's
more like your teenage years.
Yeah, I did want to be him when I was a kid.
So.
Debbie does Dallas.
From Jurassic Park, but also I would rather go in a cameo in Debbie Does Dallas or Dog in Diaries.
Dog in Diaries.
Dog in Diaries 2. That's really powerful. Classic bit of British filmmaking.
Bye.
Bye.